Hello everyone. Hi guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to your time. I greet you all according to your time. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you all. So today's topic, guys, don't take it personal, okay? It's just a talk that a friend of mine bring for me. He said, you know what, Mama Didi, I want you to talk about this. So my people, what is the topic? The topic is about the thing they make me laugh, my people. People that don't watch you. People that don't watch you. They want you to watch them. That is the topic. As she talk I say, I look go here, say, what are you talking about? Are you kidding me? Like people when not they watch you, they watch them. I say, I say, for me, if I dey watch you, you know they watch me. One day, like nobody will not get conscience. Nobody will go say in a worm not they eat food for ibele. This person they always visit you. You know they visit her. It get I be now. Now I tell the girl say, I tell that my friend say come. Now that one just they eat you. That's it for me. I get so many people. So many people when me I dey watch, when not they watch me. I tell am say come. For me, it no matter. I tell am say come. If you not say the thing they disturb you, you feel start to dey watch them. Instead of you to go there high blood pressure for YouTube. You understand? Like for me, my people, make una dey hear me. Like for me, I don't really get time. If I feel like I watch you, and especially when you are coming to my house all the time, my dear, as you make pakan, I don't pakan with you there. Yes, I don't deal with you. Except maybe say I know day when I get the alert, or I know they house, or I dey work, or I dey busy. I no fit enter, or maybe I get appointments. That's the only time when I go say I no enter. You understand? Sometimes when I see come back, when I have my free time, I go still enter, comment. I will watch the video. I will still comment. You know, so she go know, he or she will know that I watch her video. You understand? I can't tell this girl say come. I get somebody like that. The person they always call my house like every day, like anytime I upload video, anytime I just make pakan, this person they always did there. I said, do you know the thing? Me, I never go have a war like that. You understand? So another thing when I consider, when I want to tell some people here, and waiting I tell her, like if maybe say somebody they watch you, there's no how you know go see that person comments. Especially when you are doing premium or you are doing a live video, you understand? Just like me now, because of my schedule, I do my video down. Because I know if they come out all the time, can they do live video? I get a lot of videos when I never even upload right now. A lot. You understand? So maybe the one that they upload now are just those new ones where just they come. Now I just they upload. You understand? So my people, if you know say somebody they always watch you and you they see the comments before you make pakan, the person don't pakan, my sister, my brother, change from your way. And if you be that person where they say watch my video, and you don't watch people video, the repercussion, the time go come, you go there live video, you know go see one person where go say hello host, you know see another person where go say hi host. You not go see. Let's try and be nice to each other. You see this whitey family where we be so. Only one person not fit just do and they go. We need each other back. We need each other. Me no go fit just they do for you, you not go do for me. It doesn't really make sense. But for my way, I talk and just and say for me, I don't really care. If I'm okay, like if I'm less busy, if you dey life, because What I always do, I horn everybody bed down. If I dey less busy, as I talked just now before, I would dey with you. I go there with you. Why I not go there with you? I go there with you. You know another thing we cause it talk we come we bust my ear. He say I do the super chat. I say super chat. How? I don't understand. Like, if I dare your wall, wetin you dey talk, e dey ring for my head. I don't leave my comments. The only thing I can do for you is to show you that super chat. Because you know why? I'm enjoying your video. Not be say I dey carry the super chat person. I not carry the super chat. Not too, you know, the hands are not too, not too raise. Everybody they manage, but now something. Now what thing I tell her? I tell her say come. When I dey grow, they come. My mother my mother teach me this thing. Teach us, not only me. All my brothers, my sisters, they are like that. We are all like that. This story I'm about to tell you people, my sister, my brothers, wherever you are watching me. Don't think I'm super chatting you. Maybe the money too much, or I just want to do it because doing things. No. I just do it because of love. Because I love you. Because I love that topic you were doing. I love what you were doing. That's why I super chat you. I not be bank not dey my house. Okay? And make una stop to dey use that word say I to the super chat. If it happened before, they don't feel laugh me put before, but as they come again, now I need to clear the air. So as I was saying, I say my mother and I teach me. My mother teach us to be nice to people. One, when they grow, they come. When we they grow, they come. There's my mother, my father, they go farm. You know, my father was a big farmer. Yes. So me, I like to go farm. But my father will say lie. So you can't get one day. You know, say when you day farm now, they get hot. They get hot. So you can't get one guy where can't they waka, they come for inside for inside bush with torch. You know no road, the miss road. He can see say fire they go up. Now he can they follow the fire they come. My people, and so they waka come. He was so hungry. He never eat since morning. And my house, if we cook evening food, in short, morning we they cook excess, and that's what I'm still doing. I do it a lot. People that knows me know. When you come my house, when you are hungry, I will make sure I feed you. If I feed you, not be say, now me get past, now make me feed you. You know why? Let me tell you my secrets. I don't go to store or mall to buy one thing. Like I'll buy one toothpaste where we want use for 2 weeks or 1 week. I don't do it. If I'm buying toothpaste, I buy in the bank. Before my toothpaste go finish, it go spend more than many months. Even rice, everything. That's how I stock my house. I not come social media, I can't spray money. I'm not spraying money to anybody. When I love what you are doing, I give it to you. But that one will not stop me. Okay, my people. Guys, not say, this lady can't do this video. Waiting what can happen. Now that means I no want stop. I no want stop. But if I not see give you, if I call your LS, I not see give you. That one not me say I hate you. Okay, my people. That one not me say I hate you. Or that one not me say maybe I get your BP. Now cause no. I just decided to listen to you because it's not that I was not moved. I just want your spirit will tell you what to do. So my spirit did not lead me to that place. Sometimes I go just watch people, and me I like to share. I forget to share because I was carried away with what you were saying. Also with me, if I did do my live video, I don't even know where to share to. I don't even know where to share to. So my people, before you talk about people, just read the person very well and see if maybe say that person or that kind of person who you did talk to. Yes. So as I was saying, If you know say somebody they always watch you and they always share your video around, hey, or maybe you want to do video, or maybe you want to do live video, you are just searching around looking for somebody to come and join you. My brother, my sister, stop it. And you know say you know they watch people, stop it. Stop sharing your video. See, I'm not this video is not for it, guys, okay? I just want to make some people understand some kind things where they go on this social media, guys. Because one, some people, they take advantage of people. Of course, I know that. Like me, I'm so sensitive. When you say somebody is sensitive, when you are trying to tell me that, tell me that you are more intelligent than me, I will tell you that, you see that you're intelligent, where you just started, now where my offer go up. I'm very intelligent, but why are we gonna be quarreling each other or talking bad against each other? It don't really mean to. As my friend called it, I was just laughing. She said, why you dey laugh like this now? This thing is serious. So I said, serious? It's not serious. For me, it's not serious. Yes, it's not serious. So I tell her, say, okay, don't worry. You know what? I will do video about it and let people know, say, if maybe somebody they help you or somebody they watch your video or somebody they share your video, you have to appreciate them. Still go to their wall. Still go and appreciate them too. You understand? So that was my conclusion with her. I tell her, say, make she not bother, make she not worry, make she just relax. If maybe say can't be say she not fit take am, make she just remove that person. You can unsubscribe the person, yes. But for me, I don't do it. Why will I unsubscribe you? I don't need to. If I don't want to watch you, I will not watch you. Don't force me to watch you. It's not a die or do thing. Yes, it's not. And people that is watching me, I really appreciate all of you. If not you now, who know me? You know, let's try to help each other. Let's try to love each other. Not biting. Not you just a talk with you don't know. Say what you don't know about that person. You just conclude on that person. It's not really nice. For me, I love everybody. I love everybody equally. Yes. I love everybody equally. I don't have my bestie. I don't have you say now you now if not be you, I not feel waka. Now you be my odogu kataka. No. 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 Guys, let's try and be nice to each other. Not be say when you need something, now you go know say somebody they exist. It's just like one of my friends. I don't talk to this thing I say to one of other my friend. I don't want to call her name yet. This my friend, she can't they hold me money. And she can't they hold me money. I say, come, this money don't tell you, give me my money. She don't want to give me money. You know what thing I tell her? She know me now, the gallant lady herself. And then I say, come, if you don't give me my money, I will go and use you for a live video. And she hear live video. He say because you know the kind of, if I like me, I'm very simple with everybody, but don't match my tea. I'm a big python. Don't if you match me the way I'll take match you, the way I'll take arrange you. You go be like saying na me and you they sleep one ass. Yes, the way I'll take arrange your matter. You go be like saying the day where your papa put that thing inside your mama, I be like say I did the that day. And so my matter they be. You understand? So I tell this lady, say, come, if you not give me my money, I go use you. Do you know, before then that was my, she always super chats me. Up till now. She's always, I don't want to call her. And if I call her, then maybe you're not going to know her. And I feel go to monitor her. But she's not a YouTuber. she just gets her own account where she take dey watch. She's my friend. She's always super chatting me, you know. Yeah, she's in Canada, yeah. She dey Canada, yeah. She dey always super chat me all the time, you know. You know what I mean? So now, so we can't deal. Until I say, come, if you not give me my money, I go make sure say I disguan you. You know, say I know everything. As I talk, who say be she here? Now she say, okay, man, not worry. She go give me my money. She give me my money because that money don't too take. Me, I not be person where they hot body to collect money. Nobody money don't take. I can't even tell the other my friend, tell her, say, see matter where I get to. I want bring this topic on this lady where they owe me money. Maybe she dey watch me now. She go know what I dey talk about. I say I want bring and call media. Make I got this guangwara, you know. Now the other of my friend, cause they beg me, say, Mama Didi, don't do now. Never reach like that now. Your old friend again. I say, because you know, say not then, now they start and so you need to give her to the way they hot. You know, say me, they give her to the way they hot. I don't, like me, I don't know how to keep things in my mind. If you tell me, I go tell you. Yes, that's what your be, that's what my life be. That's why they talk say, I today harsh. I'm not harsh. It's my way. I can't be pretending. I'm not that person that pretend. I don't know how to pretend. They always talk. I don't know how to jealous. See, now only this one, this earring I get. I go just the wear and they go. Yeah. Another person you know the enter my eye. You see this my own. The way I go the wear, you will get plenty. You go even tired. Say this woman, that's what my life be. If I say something for your body, maybe I like her. Where you for buying? You tell me, I think go buy. It's just like this, my banner where they my back. So I saw it on my friend's wall, but not be like this kind one or not that type. So I say, where you for buy all this? I like her. Now she tell me, I go buy my own. Now I'm enjoying it. You guys can see. The gallant lady. I'm enjoying it. Now one person go come say, na so, this phone where you just buy so, na be like say you too get money. I bet, hold on. Now those one with the cause spirit of jealous. And my people, some people they talk say everybody gets spirit of jealous. For me, I don't have spirit of jealous. Yes, because one, if you have spirit of jealous, you have to pray over it. Because it's not normal. You don't have to be jealous of people. Like, what I want jealous of you for? Don't be say because I get children, that make me the thought say, I'm not jealous, I'm not. No. God forbid say my enemy not get. I will still be happy. Go and look at this lady, she's on social media. She not get picking. She did call live video. She's so happy. Not be by picking my people, or not be by money, or not be by house, or not be by clothes you wear or your makeup. Not be by that one they make you happy. Always be happy. Don't look down on people. Don't say, this one don't wear this shirt. Me, I want to go wear, I want to go buy my own. Well, you don't even know how much it is buying. Later now you can't put osa. What would they call osa? Debts. You can't put them for your head. When you can't pay, they go. So as I was saying about that, my friends, she always super chats me. You know what she want to tell me? She say, those money where she take the super chat me, now those ones she take pay me. Hey, the gallant lady accept. I say, are you kidding me? Do you want me to excuse you like orange? I say, if you repeat it again, I will just go live video now. Who say me here? Who say me here? Say, I want go live video. So she go ahead. Hey, this woman again. No, I be say I use that one take one shot. I don't know say it go backfire. I say, you tell me say money where you take the super shots me. Now you take pay me. That money not go my account. So it there with YouTube. YouTube now it there with YouTube go share. They will come give me the one where they want. Give me that. They go take 30%. Take give me my own. Eh? So me, if you two don't share and finish, then me. I tell her, say, no, see, you are not serious. I say, you know what? I just carry my phone. Just hang the phone now. I say, I'm going live. See, as I hang the phone now, so she call again. Because she know the kind of person where I be. I know say this life, where people go know you too much, they know your pin code, they know your everything. They wanna break you down. And they always tell people, do not allow people to break you down. As you see me, I'm a very strong lady. Do not allow people talk. Like me now, if you talk about me, I not listen to that thing. If people come, they talk and say, he talk about you, my love, I don't need to go listen to you. But that one where you talk for my front, my sister, when I go enter you, I know they come out. I know they come out. I go there 24/7. You guys should stop looking down on people. Stop cheating people, because cheating is very bad. I can't be watching you all the time and you've not come to my LS for once. In a way, Bini say no matter boy to you, okay. Even though I didn't swear for you, but God Almighty is watching you. You can't be cheating me all the time. You want me to watch your video. Anytime you are doing live, you want me to be there. Anytime you are doing anything, you send your video to me. I watch you, I comment. But you've never come one day to watch my video. That is what my friend said, not me. Because when she told me, I was laughing. I just they laugh. Tell her, say, my sister, for me, all those one are jara. It don't mean anything to me. Yeah. You people should stop it, because some people they cry inside. They are feeling bad. People they feel bad as soon as they treat people. They send your video to them. Tell them to come and watch your video. Do everything. You go there like they go there with you. One day you not go visit that person's house. Make una stop her. As I talk just now, I come in peace, guys. Don't take this video as a personal. Don't take it personal, okay? Nobody should take it personal. I'm just saying it publicly. That's why I come on this video to say it. Don't take it personal, okay, guys? Do not take this video personal. It's just an advice. Yes, because my friend come to me, cry to me what she's passing through. I talk to her, I advise her, I tell her what to do, but I told her don't worry, because she want me to do the live video to talk about it. I said no problem, I will do that. So I know that you are watching, my sister. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. There's nothing our God no fit do. You see all this our big YouTuber where they get 1 million view, 2 million view, 3 million view, they all start from scratch. Yes. People that will view you, you will not even expect. The time people go they view you, now you go even tire say, it's just like one video where I do which day here. That's why I call my friend and say, hey, I never see this guy view before. Where this view for they come? Like you tell me, say, Baba D, relax. Relax. Now waiting with the look for. And that view with the look for. That subscriber now with the look for. You understand? So my people, try to be nice to people. Okay? If somebody do good to you, try to do good back to the person. Now me, they always talk and they always stand put. If I do good for you, I know they expect me you can't do one back to me. But if you want do one, no problem. I they always advise people, if I do good for you and you see somebody where they pass through that thing where you pass through, render that help. Don't look back, don't look front. Just do it. You will see how God will bless you. I dey always talk. I'm not lacking anything. I know they lack children. I know they lack husband. I know they lack food. What are you talking about? I know they lack paper. I know they lack house. You see, it's on my head. I'm not lacking nothing. Everything I need in this country is on my hand. I got it. If you are not nice to people, things they always hard for you. Yes. It always hard. And secondly, when you know something, you don't want to tell the person. It's difficult. And another thing where she still tell me, I don't forget. She say, why I be say this YouTube, you ask somebody for favor, like, or maybe do this intro for me. The person go say he don't know how to do, and whereas that person, he get that intro for his own YouTube. And that person, you dey always watch him. You dey always support her in every way. He say make I still talk about that one. My people, it's really hot, If maybe say I call you, it's just like me, If I need something, I know they call one person. I will call this, I will call this, I will call this, I will call this. Anyone will come for quick come now, I go pick. So now the advice when I give her be that. I tell her, say, come. Do not rely on one person. When you need something, call different people. Before you call 5 people, you go see one way go answer you. But when you rely on one, that one, he know your pin code. He go make sure say this one. You make sure say he put you for that thing where you can't feel bad. No, guys, do not feel bad. And you where they do that thing. You where they do that thing where you not go, you not want share, but you go they look for somebody to help you. The day where God go answer you. Not be me go talk. Try change. Change. End time is coming. Change. Like me, I do share. I share with people, even the one I don't even know. If not the one where I don't even know, that's why I go they call they go. Not be me even get the thing where they want do but person need them. That's why they call. You know how to do this. Until you know how to do this. If I get result, I go give her. Now so it's supposed to be. Make una stop to the look only una home. It's just like one lady like that. I will not call her name again. I can't answer something. Maybe she will. If she watch my video, she will know. I can't answer and say because I can't get copyrights. And that video, I need to put music inside. I could tell and say how I want to do, and I don't upload that video. They watch and they don't give me copyrights. My sister, you don't even reach 2 minutes. And this person, I don't know. I just want to appreciate you. If you listen to this video, you will know that I'm talking to you. I don't want to mention name here. But the one when I have so, but the one where I know her so, she do the video, she sent that to me. I say, wow. And so it's supposed to be. Do not look down on people. Notice this YouTube, people are still coming. Don't think that your own content, that your own this thing, now be the best. People are coming with new ones. New things are coming. That your own, it go hold. People not come to use them again. Try to be share. Learn how to share to people. Don't eat alone. I mean, they talk and say, when you eat alone, you die alone. Don't eat alone. Always share with people. Always share. It's very good to share. When you share with people, you will see how your life will be sweet. But when you not share, you just want to eat alone, you die alone. Yes. Now me talking. You don't get what you want to do me. If it's too much, we'll go live video, we'll go finish her. I just asked her and she sent it to me. And this person, I never ever do one thing for her once. I never ever do one thing for her. My people, why am I saying this? If you know, say you know something and somebody calls you, you don't give her, you are a devil incarnate. Try to be nice to people. Try to share. It's very good to share. It's just like my children. Then say when they start this kindergarten, they will tell them, say all this our baby, they don't reach 1 year, 2 years, they go say, no, it's mine. But when they reach school, they go tell and say, come, these 2 things you have to share. Then they go come use and make sing for them. Say, you have to be sharing. They go come the sing and sing. It's good to share, yes. That's why I super chat. It's good to show love. Because you don't need somebody that need it more. Like me, I really need help. If you have any help, any way you can help me, or you see my video, anything there where you not like, you are free to call me, to tell me, say, see how you go dey do am. Put me through. Let's help each other. I think say when you help me like that, when you put me through, you will help me. I get super chat. Why not super chat you? I go super chat you now because you help me. That one not me say. It not me say. If you don't help me, make it the expense super chat. Oh. There's another way I can give it to you. Yeah, not only super chat. There's another way I can give it to you. To return the love to you. If you want me to return it. Not only super chats. Okay, guys. I don't get time too much. Yes. But the little one I have, I give it out. I'm not stitching over it. Don't be stitching. Don't be stitching. Try to love people. Try to learn how to share. Don't eat alone so that you don't die alone. Because anybody that eats alone, we're alone. If you know something and your friend don't know, try to put them through. It's just one person, I can't ask her something. As I talk just and say, I don't know. I know they call one person. I can't ask her something. My sister, she did line. She read my message. She no answer me. The time when she can't answer me, and that thing she gets on, she can't give me another way. You know what I do? I buffer. Me, I dey count something follow you. I'll count 1, 2, 3. You see the 4th one? Bye bye, and I be your name. I will never die your number. I mean, they talk and say, Azu Egbava. Egbe no zo, ma zo egbima. Yahweh say no. Iwe le ehomeri. Yes. Ehome ya Yahweh. Ima we enwe nudo tie po me ma ho do tama me we madan bakiromo wa. No. Do not do that. If you do it, I'm going to open this. You see this my house is big, so I go open up for you. When I open up, I go make sure say I swallow you inside. She refused. She can't give me. When she won't give me, she can't give me. Because she knows say, as I ask her, I know say she know her. Because as I tell explain to her, I tell her everything. I see her for your work. Everything I explain. And she listen to it. She don't have choice. She give me another thing. I laugh. I said the